So today we're going to do what's called a bug house. It's an adorable name. I'm very nervous about the drink because the ingredients sound gross. We're dealing with Italian vermouth, which is the sweet vermouth, freaking cognac, which I don't even really know what that's like. This will be my first experience with cognac, and absinthe. Real weird combo. Let's get into it. Start off with 1 part Italian vermouth. I just forget that this stuff is brown. Then we got 3 parts cognac. We got the Martell. The classic cognac is Hennessy, but it's more expensive than this. This is like $30 for a bottle. The cognac's like $45, so I don't know. We'll see. If this is decent, then we might upgrade to Hennessy in the future. So it's 3 parts of this, so I'll do 1 tall, 1 small. On to the tall. You shake up these just two ingredients with some ice. But that's not all. Pour this in here. Pop, 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 pop. Then you add 1 teaspoon of absinthe to each drink. There's only 1 drink, so I guess if you're doing parts and you make like, bottles are your parts, then you just still add 1 teaspoon of absinthe to each drink. And that drink is ready. It says to stir it, so I'll just be classless and use my measuring device to stir. I also have a very fancy stirring stick, but I'm not using this teaspoon for anything else, so that's how it's gonna go. This is how the cookie crumbles. Farouk, you wanna come try this bug house?
Yes.
This is called a bug house, and it's got cognac.
Oh, I've never had cognac.
Yeah, same. Alright. So it has absinthe, so that's all
I was
you're
gonna
gonna
say,
taste.
it smells like licorice. Mm.
Not bad.
It kind of reminds me, just smelling it, of sweet tea.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
Like when you put your face into it, but it's like sweet tea with a hint of the licorice. It's really good if you like licorice. I love licorice.
Yeah. Yeah. It's surprisingly smooth.
Yeah. Good job. Bug house.
Bugging out. I was kind of expecting this to be gross, so this is a pleasant surprise. Like and subscribe. I'm saying it every time, or at least I'm trying to remember to. So do that.